Psi-emitters have been augmented by technology recovered from the Moebius Foundation. If discovered, it will trace back to Valerian Mengsk.
I've accepted that my father is beyond redemption, and must be removed from power.
Yes.
The Emperor has arrived, General. He wants to make his announcement soon.
Does he? We'll be watching closely. If anything goes wrong, your orders are to kill that boy.
There's not much time left.
I know. Everything must go exactly as we discussed. Davis's forces will be focused on my security escort, expecting us to try something. You need to infiltrate the facility while they're distracted, Nova.
I've got it covered.
Take Davis into custody and bring her to the balcony before the end of my speech. Then I'll announce her arrest to the Dominion.
She's not going to go quietly.
She won't have a choice after this. Nova, I'm counting on you.
I've been running scans on Davis's compound. Unfortunately, their security appears to be quite thorough.
That's why they're sending me.
Indeed. Davis's communications have revealed that she'll be watching the speech from inside her office. However, you will have to take a long route through the compound in order to reach her.
So it's either stealth or full force. I'll gear up accordingly. How do I get inside?
Patrols are light in the sewers located below the building. You should be able to infiltrate the area without too much trouble.
No trouble at all.
After a long silence, Emperor Valerian has announced a press conference on the core world of Vardona. This follows his evacuation from the Korhal Palace due to rising tensions during a protest. Some people believe that the Emperor is running from his responsibilities, while others feel that his departure is the first step to a peaceful resolution. We await his statement for more details.
You will not be needing the assistance of your army in this mission, Nova.
Loud and clear. I'm in.
Head toward these coordinates. They'll lead you into the rest of the compound.
All right. I'm counting on you to be my eyes down here. Got it. Who is that?
There's a ghost here. Report to command.
Now acknowledge charge. I'll make it happen.
There's an interesting energy reading coming from this room. Take a moment to investigate it if you can.
On the move.
Someone's here! Help! There's someone here!
It's a visor. I should be able to control one of the defenders pretty easily with it.
Where's the mechanics bay? The other way. You broke something again?
Damn it.
Wait. There's a laser detector ahead of you. I believe a flashbang grenade could disable it.
I don't have any. But I bet this visor will get one of the defenders to do the job for me.
Using your enemies against each other. An elegant solution.
Status report. Acknowledged.
What was that?
Nova here. Say again? En route. Confirm that last. I'll make it happen.
Security's breached.
Consider it done. I'm in command. I'm reading you. Loud and clear. Listen closely.
A sensor drone is near your position, Nova. You can destroy it or keep your distance.
Nova here. Strictly business. Listen closely. Now that's say again. Charge. Got it. Confirm that last. En route. Executing. On the move. Consider it done. Acknowledged.
You may need some additional equipment as you move forward, Nova. I planted a storage locker near your current position.
I'm starting to think you're sneakier than I am.
Enemy sighted.
Executing. I'm in command. Say again? Status report. Acknowledge. Listen closely. I'm reading. Nova here. En route. I'll make it happen.
You're almost out of the sewers, Nova. The exit is just ahead.
Confirm that last. I'm reading. Status report. On the move. Strictly business. Acknowledged. Listen closely. I'm in command. Say again? Got it. Nova here. I'm reading you. Okay. I've reached the inside of the compound.
General Davis is still in her office. She's not taking any chances until the speech is finished. 2 security rooms are monitoring the door's locking mechanism. You'll need to get to them and override the controls before the Emperor finishes his speech.
On it. I'll make it happen. Consider it done.
Here are the locations of the security rooms. Good luck, Nova.
I'm going to need it. Acknowledged.
Find the enemy!
Executing.
Not enough energy.
The military research division here was well funded. My scans show they might be storing equipment in these locations.
That's worth looking into. Got it. Strictly business. Acknowledged. Follow my orders. Say again.
Davis's office is still on lockdown. You'll need to visit both of the security rooms to open it.
Nova here. Consider it done. Listen close. Confirm that last. I'm reading you. I'm in command. Say again. I'll make it happen. En route. Listen close. Confirm that last. I'm in command. I'm reading you. Status report.
Davis's forces were conducting advanced weaponry tests in this sector. Let's have a look at their findings, shall we?
Can't wait. On the move. Strictly business. Confirm that last. Listen closely. I'm in command.
Watch where you're going.
En route. Rigel, I've gotten a hold of the advanced weaponry. And there's a lot of it.
That's what I was hoping for.
I'm in command. Status report. Executing. Listen close. Say again? Consider it done. Got it.
I get so nervous once the prototypes are complete.
We've had a lot of thefts lately, it's true.
Maybe we should just leave everything half-finished.
Loud and clear. Listen close. Nova here. Acknowledged. Confirm that last. Say again? Executing.
These sonar drones are armed with EMP technology. Take caution not to disturb them, Nova.
No kidding. I'm reading you. Status report. Strictly business. Nova here. Got it. Listen close.
Oh God, what was that?
Loud and clear. I'm in command. Say again? Listen close. I'm reading.
Not enough energy.
Executing. I'm in command. Nova here. Consider it done. Listen closely. Status report. Say again? On the move.
Not enough energy.
Got it. I'm in command. Confirm that last. Injuries treated. Strictly business. Executing. I see the security room, but I can't get into it.
Try controlling the guards who are already inside, then.
Follow my orders. Nova here. Listen closely. Say again? There. One of the control panels is set. Now for the other one. Loud and clear. Consider it done. Just what I wanted. On the move. En route.
Who is that?
I'll make it happen. Energy. Executing. Got it. Strictly business. Acknowledged. Loud and clear. Consider it done. En route. On the move. I'll make it happen. Energy. Nice. Got it. Acknowledged. Strictly business. Got it.
Oh God, what was that?
Loud and clear.
The Emperor's here. Something big must be going on.
Maybe he sees that we're right, and the defenders of man can make a difference for the Dominion.
Acknowledged. Loud and...
I've detected something in your area, Nova. I believe it's a suit.
That sounds like it could come in handy. On the move. Executed. Consider it done. Got it. En route. Strictly business. Follow my orders. I'm reading it. I'll make it happen. Acknowledged. You should see this thing, Rigel. It's really impressive.
Do test it out when you have the chance.
Someone's here!
Loud and clear. Acknowledged. I'll make it happen. Executing. Got it.
Sorry, I wasn't paying attention back there.
Here's the second room. You know what to do next.
On the move.
I sense something.
What was that?
En route. Follow my orders. Say again? Strictly business. Loud and clear. I'll make it happen. En route. On the move. Loud and clear. Follow my orders. Confirm that last. Acknowledged. Consider it done. I'll make it happen. Follow my orders. Listen closely. Nova here. Got it.
Davis's office is open. You are clear to make the arrest.
Wait. There's a psionic presence there. It seems familiar. Acknowledged. On the move. En route. Loud and clear. Consider it done.
I knew I'd see you again.
Stone, what happened?
You deserted me and sided with the Dominion to murder your former comrades. Guess I'm next.
They've altered your memories. This isn't you.
We are who we choose to be. And you chose this.
Damn it. I'm going to have to get him out of the way. Executing. I don't want to kill him. I'll have to weaken him until he can't fight anymore.
That seems more than fair, under the circumstances.
Acknowledged.
Not enough energy.
On the move. Consider it done.
You were the best of us, Nova. Why betray us?
It was your idea, actually.
More lies.
En route. Executing. Got it.
Not enough energy.
I'll make it happen. Acknowledged. On the move. Consider it done. Loud and clear. Nova here. Strictly business. Subject down. En route. Executing. Got it. Executing. I'll make it happen.
Not enough energy.
Acknowledged. He's down. Rigel, you have to send someone to help him.
Of course. For now, you should focus on Davis.
Davis, the Emperor has requested your presence.
And if I refuse?
You won't.